Many owners of fuel-powered vehicles don't know the operation mode of new energy vehicles, and even some new features are completely incomprehensible. In fact, using DeepWay StarWay is very simple. Today, I will explain it to you in a video. The first step is we need to adjust the seat. We are using an airbag seat, which can effectively filter out the bumps on the road. Press the small button on the left to open the airbag. Press down to turn off the airbag. The middle button is to adjust the height of the airbag. The right button is to adjust the seat tilt angle. Adjust it to a comfortable position. After adjustment, we step on the brake pedal hard and the vehicle can be powered on and started. Our StarWay uses is an automatic gear lever shift. Turn it up to D for forward. Press the lever inward and down to switch to reverse gear. If you want to use the manual mode, you can press this end to enter M gear and shift up and down to switch gears. We all know that new energy-heavy trucks have kinetic energy recovery function. You can operate all these functions with just one lever. First, on the central control screen, to turn on the energy recovery function. At this time, press the lever up and hold it. Can increase the intensity of energy recovery. If you press it down, to reduce the intensity of energy recovery. There are 5 gears to adjust. It can increase the battery life by more than 10% on long downhill sections. On this multifunctional steering wheel also integrates combined assisted driving capabilities. Click the ACC button below. You can turn on ACC adaptive cruise function. To achieve constant speed cruise, avoid fatigue from long-term throttle pressing. Click the ICA button above to turn on the ICA intelligent cruise assist function. It is suitable for highways and expressways. To keep in the lane automatically, cruise or follow the vehicle automatically. Long press the ICA button for more than 2 seconds. To the IPC Intelligent Queue function. In congested road sections or industrial parks, to automatically follow the queue at low speed. These auxiliary driving functions can not only relieve driving fatigue, but also effectively reduce energy consumption. When we finish a day's work and need to turn off the engine, shift to N gear, pull the electronic handbrake, swipe down the central control screen to turn off the car. Click Yes. By learning these, now we can drive your new energy-heavy truck safely while energy efficiently. Some people say, I don't know how to use the central control screen. Don't worry, we'll tell you in the next episode.